Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Shaggy's Awesome Garage. I'm Shaggy. Thanks for being here. Sorry about the light. It's after dark and I'm filming. It is what it is. Anyhow, I just had to get on here and show you guys what I got in the mail today. If you guys have watched Tiffany over at Dirt Road Cinderella, you know that one of her past videos, she sent me out a package. It's for our online model club, the Alliance of Plastic Models Builders. We have a group build going on. It's called Should I Had a V8. And in that group build, we were chatting in our club meeting last month, and that's when we decided which group build we were doing. And in the club meeting, during the chat, she said she was going to send me one. If you have not watched her video, go over to Dirt Road Cinderella and tell Tiffany that Shaggy sent you over and you want to see that video. Once you get there, it'll be the Opal, her entry port, and I think the thumbnail is the Opal GT and the S10 or S15 or Sonoma, whatever it is. Yeah, it's the Sonoma. Anyhow, let me get you turned around to the bench and I'll show you what came in this here box. Thanks, Tiffany. Let me get you around to the bench and I'll show you what she sent me. We're back at the bench. Let me get you down to the bench and I'll show you what she sent. Pretty cool stuff. I may have to take it off the tripod. I don't know yet. But yeah. First of all, when she sent the kit, it was very well packaged. And she used the local newspaper to package it. And the newspaper is actually in pretty good shape that she used to package it with. So it's the Mountain Eagle. Thanks, Tiffany. It's very well packaged. You did a great job. Such a good job that I put the newspaper back together. Now I have some reading material. Pretty cool. Let's see what we got here. Mountain Eagle. A little bit of sports news looked like on the front page. And then we got Aunt Jet's Witchcraft Shop. What? Witchcraft? What are you girls doing up there? Oh my goodness. And we got a visit into history. We got some dude on the front. Let's see. We got classifieds, whittling away, and Catskill geologists. Then we got here's the scoop, and yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, that caught my witchcraft shop. I don't know what you girls are doing up there in the mountains, but that's pretty cool. And on the back page we got, what is this? Scarecrows? I don't know what you guys do for fun up there, but it looks like you guys have a blast. But anyhow, what is this? Is that Spock? Spock Scarecrow. Live long and prosper. Yeah, just here. Anyhow, that's pretty cool. Thanks for the reading material there, Tiffany. But yeah, let me show you what you sent. It's the 84 GMC Sonoma SLS, and this is going to be my entry into the Alliance of Plastic Model Kit, Alliance of Plastic Modelers. I'll put the description right up here. You've seen it. It's in my entry video. But yeah. It's my entry into the Alliance of Plastic Modelers group build called Should Have Had a V8. If you look right here, it says that I used to have the 2001 Extreme version of this truck. It had a enhanced Vortec V6. We're not using the V6. We're cramming a V8 in here. Let me show you what's in the box. First of all, here we go. Dirt Road Cinderella. Go over to her channel and tell her Shaggy sent you. Thanks, Tiffany. Appreciate that. And look, she also sent some stickers. That'll go good in my garage. She sent a button. Pretty cool. I like the little button. Thanks, Tiffany. That's awesome. But yeah, this is our Alliance of Plastic Model Club. This guy right here, that's Gluey McStabberson. Pretty cool. Anyhow, so yeah, here's the constructions. We're probably going to use that. Here's some decals. Let's see here. If it'll focus. Yeah, there we go. That's some pretty cool decals. Not sure if we use that or not, but let's look in here what the decals are saying. So yeah, that's pretty detailed. It's going to be a cool kit. I'm not going to do a whole complete box opening, and there's the engine we're not going to use. So anyhow, you've seen the instructions before. You don't want to see those. And here's the Taurus. And here's the cab. Pretty cool looking. Man, this is bringing back memories. I miss my my little Extreme I used to have. I had a 2001 Chevy S10 Extreme, and it was bright, a little bit brighter than this color, but we got the grill, and we got a console, and the air dam bumper looking thing. And here's the bed. Pretty cool, very detailed. Here's some probe tree parts. There's another grill. Depending on which way you want to go. And Tiffany sent me some extra stuff in here. There's a 421 Pontiac Avail Parts Pack Impala Project 58 Impala. So yeah, I got options. Pretty cool. Looks like it might have been started, but that's no problem. That ain't no step for a stepper. Ain't no hill for a climber either. You know, funny I should say that, because today is November is the 18th, and today I had my orthopedic appointment, and they released me to go back to work. So funny I should say that ain't no hill for a climber, and that's how I screwed up my foot. But anyhow, that's not what you're here to see. You're here to see this stuff. She also sent a small block Chevy with many options, origin assorted. So yeah, pretty cool. Thanks, Tiffany. I have got plenty of options here. Let's see what we got in another bag here. We have 283 Chevy V8, 2-barrel, complete. Come out of a 66 Chevy Suburban. That'll be cool. Throw a vintage engine off in there, and looks like it's got some kind of a decal on there. I don't know what that is, but pretty cool. Awesome stuff. And we have the glass here. That's all good. And look, she sent some little clothespins. That way when I'm scratch building, I keep everything together till the glue dries. That's awesome. Thanks, Tiffany. And look, here's another button. I love these little buttons. These are awesome. Tiffany, you can tell Carrie Ann or whoever made these that she did a fantastic job. You or Carrie Ann or Bug, whoever. I appreciate every one of you. Yeah, give them all a high five for me. Pretty cool buttons. I love it. They're going to go up here on the wall somewhere over in here. But let's see what else we got in this box. We have assorted other parts. Here's some bedsides and some other options there, looks like. And look, Tiffany sent me some wire. Pretty cool. I got me some plug wires now. Thank you, Tiffany, for that. Oop, that one got hung up. Come on out of there. So yeah, got plenty of plug wire now. Appreciate you, girl. That's awesome. And then we have the hood, and we got some custom seats there. We got the floor pan. And here's the dash. I don't know if you guys know anything about this era of S10s and S15s and Sonomas. The one I had, it was a 2001 Extreme, and it had a CD player in the dash, but down in the console, I don't know if it's in here or not, but yeah, it's in this other bag over here somewhere. Yeah, right here. In the console, in my S10 Extreme, it had a cassette player right here. You could put a cassette player in here, or was it up here? Wait, it's just like that. Yeah, mine was up here by the dash. It had a cassette player in the dash and a CD player in the console, or vice versa. I can't remember which. I think it had a cassette player in the console and a CD player in the dash. That was kind of unheard of for that kind of. It was 2001, so several years ago. But anyhow, here's more parts out of the box here. We got a frame that's pretty straight. Very straight indeed. I like that. That's awesome. Thanks, Tiffany. We have some door cards. There's the frame. Got a spare tire. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's the radiator. Yeah, there's the radiator. Got some hubs and wheels and what is this? There's the step bumper. Not sure how it orientates here. I think like that. Step bumper. We have some more red clear parts. And in here we got some suspension components. Got a axle and third member, and we got some more suspension components. We have fuel tank, fan, cold air intake, exhaust, more suspension components, and there's an engine we won't be using. Might have to hack that up, cut it apart, and stick it on a stand in my garage. That'll look cool. But yeah, pretty cool. If anybody out there is needing a V6 Vortec, I got you covered. Just hit me up in the comments, let me know. And look, more plug wires. Awesome. I'm never gonna run out of plug wires. Thank you, Tiffany. You're amazing. You're awesome. Carrie Ann, you're awesome. Bug, you're great. You guys are just amazing. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. I'm gonna enjoy this build. So yeah. So yeah, guys, there's my entry for the should have been a V8. And before I get done, this will be a V8. I'm not sure if I'm going to tub the rear end and put some big tires on it or not. I don't know. Might just make it a sleeper. You just never know. Thanks again, Tiffany, for this amazing gift. Appreciate it, guys. If you haven't, if you haven't gone to her channel, what are you doing? You living under a rock? What's the deal? Anyhow, thanks, guys, for tuning in. And if you need a shop card of mine, please hit me up at rickw7t1@gmail.com, and I'll get one sent out to you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so down there below. Hit that bell. Throw me a comment down there. Share it if you like it. And let me know if you don't. Either way, we'll catch you on the next one. And remember, keep the sash growing and the airbrush blowing. Catch you on the next one. Later, guys.